What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's April 10th, 2023, and Bitcoin's over $30,000. No big deal. Calm down. It's just another step on the way to 100K. By the way, none of this is financial advice. Just word to the wise. Do your own research, blah, 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 blah. Don't sue me. But regardless, Bitcoin's 30,000. What is it like mining Bitcoin? Is it profitable? Let's take a look. So I don't currently mine Bitcoin directly. I do some indirect mining by mining with my GPUs, altcoins on Nicehash, and then getting paid out in Bitcoin. But what about directly mining Bitcoin? Because a lot of people, they see the price of Bitcoin go up. They're like, well, let's go mine Bitcoin. Let's take a look at that. Cool website called Asic Miner Value. It shows you a bunch of Asics and what's the most profitable. Looking at the algo here, I have it sorted from most profitable right now. And you notice these are all ant miners. These are script miners. If you go down, the first SHA 256, which is a Bitcoin miner, is the S19 XP Hydro. Not a very realistic ant miner in my opinion. So let's go down to the next one. That's the S19 XP. A lot more realistic. It's profiting $4.58 a day, and that's at 12 cents per kilowatt hour. I'm at 10 cents, so let's apply that and just see how it do. There it is. That went up significantly. Did 12 cents really do that much? Oh, it might have read that as 1 cent. No. What the heck's going on here? 12 cents per kilowatt hour. Maybe it wasn't updated? Let's see here. SHA 256. S19. I think I had it as 1 cent. Let's go to 10 cents. The profitability skyrockets from just going down 2 cents. I swear I think it's reading that as 1 cent. No, it's not. Maybe I need to look into no, okay, it's still not that great. So an S19 XP 140 terahash is making $5.96 a day. It was making like 4 something at 12 cents, so not a big deal, or not a big difference there. Less than $1 a day difference. But an S19 XP cost. Let's see, you can buy them right now. 3,500. Looks like the cheapest place on here is Cool Dragon. They ROI in 597 days. If you think the price of Bitcoin is going up, then technically it would ROI faster than that. But yeah, they're making $13 a day. They burn $7 a day in electricity at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So they're profiting $5.96 a day. And it only costs $3,000. So that's $2,144 a year profit. But that's an expensive unit. And if Bitcoin goes down, this bad boy may never ROI. So yeah. Now a lot of people keep asking me, what about the cheaper ASICs like an S9, right? Antminer S9. As you can see, none of these at 10 cents per kilowatt hour are profitable. But in theory, if you mine with them and you hold the coin and Bitcoin goes up, yes, they will be profitable. But they burn a lot of power. So let's just pick a regular OS9. They burn $2.70 a day. That's $81 a month, or $900 a year. That's a little chunk of change. Now you can find these things for next to nothing. They don't even show them on here. In stock XO mining, $65. That's from China, so you have to pay some crazy shipping. Bitcoin merch, don't pay $800 for these. They're on eBay for a couple $100 if you really wanted one. But I'm cautious about ASIC mining. That's because they can become a paperweight and they become very worthless very fast. If we go over to coin market cap, you can see Bitcoin $30,138, up 6.5% in the last 24 hours. Will it hold? Nobody knows, but we could check back tomorrow and see. I'm definitely curious to see what's going to happen and how the altcoins are going to do to keep up with it, because it's definitely, Bitcoin's definitely outperforming a vast majority of them. So, is it time to run out and buy some Asics? I don't think so. But if you want one, obviously you can get whatever you want. But I don't know. Oh no. ET Forest Miner. Bad boy's making some good jack right there. So yeah, with that being said, I don't want to hold you guys up. Just doing a quick video talking about a little bit of ASIC mining. Maybe I should get one just for experimental purposes. That's the problem when you're into computer stuff. You justify buying stuff no matter what. So it's like, maybe I need to have it, right? I don't know. Comment down below. Maybe should I grab one? Obviously, I don't know if I'll be grabbing an S19. I probably could swing an S9, but I don't know. Maybe it just ain't the right time. We'll just keep on GPU mining. All right. See y'all on the flip side. Adios, ladies and gentlemen.